Let's talk about how to swaddle a baby. Here are some swaddles that I love. First is the Ollie swaddle. Lay baby with shoulders just above the swaddle. Put her hands on her tummy and then stretch the Ollie swaddle across her chest using the Velcro to fasten it. Make it looser around the hips. And then when you get to the bottom, there's an elastic tie and you're just gonna secure it so that it stays right below her feet. No matter what swaddle you're using, you're going to check to make sure that you can fit a couple fingers between her chest so she can breathe and then those hips move freely like this. Here's the Summer Swaddle Me. This is a great budget-friendly option. First, you're gonna put her feet in the pouch, then pull the Velcro up to her armpit line, and then line up that Velcro. Watch how I tuck this arm in securely. Watch, this is the secret. Tuck and pull. Now stretch that across and secure it really snugly to her back. Double check to make sure you can fit fingers in there, which you can, and then that her hips move freely. That's how you use the Summer Swaddle Me. Next is the Halo Swaddle, another great option that grows with your baby. You're gonna start by putting her arms in and then tuck her legs into the pouch. And there's a zipper that starts at her chin and goes all the way down. You're gonna put her arm at her side and then tuck this side behind her back. And then that second arm gets tucked in like this, and you're gonna stretch it again very securely and use the Velcro to fasten. Always double check with 2 fingers. Make sure that those hips move freely, and that's how you use the Halo Swaddle. Next is the Norani. This is a great one for swaddle Houdinis, those babies who like to break out. You're gonna put their legs in, and then they have these little arm sleeves. So as you can see, I tuck her arm into that little spot and then put this behind her back. And then again, you're gonna put her arm inside the sleeve and stretch it across, secure it with the Velcro. She is snugly in there. Those arms can't bust out. You're gonna double check to make sure she can take deep breaths and move those hips. Now this one is the MB Swaddle, another great one for babies who like to bust out of the swaddle. It zips, it snaps, and it Velcros. So you're gonna start there. Here's option 1. You tuck those little legs right in there. This is where the snapping comes in. And then you'll secure it with the Velcro strap across here, just like this. So this is one way to use the MB. Obviously you check to make sure 2 fingers and those hips can move freely. Option 2 with the MB is to keep those little legs out. You're going to take the pouch and put it between their legs and snap it like this. This is perfect for a home that's warm or a baby that runs kind of hot, or even a baby in a Pavlik harness. You can see they're securely swaddled, but those legs and hips are free. And finally, this is the Anna and Eve strap. It literally is just a strap that goes across their middle section. Attach it in the middle with Velcro. Pull her arm down and secure that side. Again, arm straight down to the side and secure it there. As you can see, it's just a strap. This is perfect for a home that's warm or a baby in a Pavlik harness.